Hello, Tia. Happy birthday. 18 ka na, dalaga ka na. Ingat lagi. Bawal ang ubyo. Angat kung ano mo, ang tagumpay mo. Sana makarating ka sa puntahan mong pangarap.
Sana maabot mo.
Hindi man kayo makarating dyan, pero gustuhin mo namin, pero di ko kaya po eh. Sige, dito na lang, hanggang dito na lang, nahirapan na ako magsalita. Love you, love, love, love. Happy birthday. Ito na.
Happy birthday, Thea. Sana nasa mabuti ang kalagayan. Babe lang palagi at huwag mo kakalimutan lumingon kung saan ka galing. Tandaan mo, mahal ka namin, lagi ka namin naaalala. Hindi man kami nakarating dyan, siguro naman para sa pagkakataon ito na akaabot din kami sa iyo. Sa mga sinasabi namin sa iyo. Mahal ka namin at miss na miss ka namin. Sana wish ko lang ang kalusugan mo, good health, successful na mga pangarap mo, magpatuloy kung saan ka mang papunta. Lagi ka lang mag-iingat. God bless you. I love you.
Hello Thea, this is Papa Bear. Bumabati sa iyo ng happy 18th birthday sa iyo. Ang birthday wishes ko sa iyo ay more achievement in your life. At turuan mo naman si Papa Bear na sumayaw. Yung mga giling-giling mo. Lagi ko kasi nakikita sa Facebook. So once again, happy birthday sa iyo. At enjoy, have fun. This is your special day. Happy birthday uli sa iyo, Thea. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Hi Thea, this is Kurt, your cousin. Happy 18th birthday.
Hi Thea, happy 18th birthday, Nanak. Oh, I cannot believe that you're already 18. Kala ko baby ka pa kasi every time your mom posts on Facebook is always your little girls dancing, acting, something like that. But now you are grown in such a kind, gentle, talented, beautiful young woman. Ninang is very proud of you. Your dedication in your studies, your good heart, and the way you treat others with kindness are truly inspiring. Ngayon, nagse-celebrate ka ng birthday mo. I want you to know that kahit na I cannot be there with you on your special day, I am thinking of you, of course. I'm your Ninang and sending you all my love and warmest wishes. Enjoy your every moment of your special day and all the wonderful opportunities that adulthood will bring, okay? Always remember that no matter where life takes you, Ninang is always here for you. If you ever need someone to talk to or you just want to, just chat to Ninang and I will listen. Okay, and I will support you in every way. I am just one phone call away or message away. Okay, Ninang is always here. May God continue to bless you with your happiness, good health, success, and endless opportunities. Keep dreaming big, anak. Stay humble and never stop being the amazing person you are. Happy 18th birthday again, Nak. Enjoy your day and make beautiful memories. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Taya.
Hi, Thea. Happy 18th birthday. Dati, sumasayaw lang tayo ng Gangnam Style at saka nagtitiktok videos. Ngayon, dancer ka na. Ang bilis ng panahon, 18 years old ka na agad. Dati, takbo lang tayo ng takbo eh. Ingat ka lagi. God bless you always. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Thea! Happy 18th birthday! Oh no! Oh, happy birthday! Oh, ingat ha!
18th birthday, Teya!
No, we love you!
Love you!
Oh, say birthday son! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Thea. Happy birthday, Thea. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Thea.
Hi, Tay. Happy
Happy birthday. Doon ka nakatingin.
Happy birthday.
18 birthday, ha?
Enjoy your day. Enjoy. Love you.
Patay tayo dyan, pana. Love you, Tay. Okay. Saka na yung regalo, ha? Pagka tumama ako ng loto, ha? O, sige. Kumusta sa lahat kay lolo mo, kay daddy mo, ha? Kay mami mo, kapatid mo. Ha? Mga tita at tito mo, mga pisan mo, mga pamangkins mo, ha? O, sige. O. Okay, bye. Alright. Tol.
Happy birthday, Teya. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. God bless and more blessings to come. I hope makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Taya. I love you, Taya.
Hi, Jaylene. Happy 18th birthday! Ay. Sorry, I'm cringe. Grabe, it's been 2 years since I last saw you. And when I moved here, parang kailan lang we were just performing for our DS. And then, yung U-Week natin. And now, ang dami na nangyari sa loob ng 2 years na yun. And although hindi na tayo masyado nag-uusap ngayon, pero I want you to know sobrang proud ako sa'yo. I'm always happy seeing your posts to see how much you're achieving now and how much you're growing as a person. At totoo talaga na sinasabi kong I'm glad that I got to know you. Yung Thea na lagi kong karad pag bored ako. Or yung Thea na kasama ko sa mga dance competition. And yung Thea na baliw sa Blackpink katulad ko dati. We would get matching clothes or matching headbands. Tapos I would always hang out in your house. I had my first sleepover sa inyo. And a lot more memories I won't forget. Ang dami kong gusto kong sabihin, pero hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Pero when I think about my childhood in school, you're in it. At siguradong sobrang dami kong pang hindi alam tungkol sa'yo ngayon. Pero I know one thing's for sure. Yung Thea or Jaylene or AJ na nakilala ko dati is still the sweet, talented, and funny person I know. So no matter how far you go, I hope you know na nandito pa rin ako para sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Jaylene. Love you.
Hi, Ate Taya. Happy 18th birthday to you. Ingat ka palagi saan ka man magpunta. I'm always here to support you no matter what happen. So, uwi ka na dito. Namimiss ka na namin. And tara na't maligo ng dagat ulit. We miss you, Ate Taya. So, yun lang, te. More birthday to come. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday sa pinakamagandang ate ko dyan na si Ate Thea. Salamat sa lahat. Ingat ka palagi. Huwag mo sana akong kalimutan. At sana matupad ang lahat ng iyong pangarap. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Thea.
Ay, ko naman ang gagawin ko.